Very good evening to all of you. Welcome to my YouTube channel. If you are new, please subscribe my YouTube channel and get knowledge day by day. And please like, share and subscribe my videos and comment on my videos. Today I am going to teach our skeleton system. Learning objective: 5 major function of the skeleton, 4 different types of bones, 4 different types of joints and their range of movement, parts of a joint, ligament, tendon, cartilage, synovial fluid, names of bones, healthy management of bones. Means after watching this video you can learn these things. First question is here: how do you think we will look like without a skeleton? How do you think we will look like without a skeleton? Function of skeleton: shape, support, body movement, protection, blood cell formation. Function first: shape. Bones provides basic shape and structure for the body. Function first: shape. Bones provide basic shape and structure for the body. Function second: support. The skeleton supports the soft tissues of the body as it forms a rigid framework to which our muscles, tendons, ligaments attach. Next, function 3: body movement. Bones act as levers for muscle attachment. Our bones are levers which are pulled by the muscles to cause movement. Next function 4: protection. Our bones are very strong and can provide protection to the vital organs. Example: the skull protects the brain, and the ribs and sternum protects the heart and lungs. Function fifth: making blood cells. Inside long bones is a substance called bone marrow, which makes new blood cells. Next topic is types of bones: long, short, flat, irregular. Long bones: any bone that is longer than its width. Example: femur, humerus. Short bones: as wide as they are long. As wide as they are long. Example: bones such as carpals and tarsals in the wrist and foot. Flat bones: strong, flat pieces of bone. Can you think of others? Irregular bones do not fit into any of other categories. Do not fit into any of other categories and often have an unusual shape, like as vertebra, sacrum, mandible. Some interesting fact: how many bones do we have in our body? 206. How many bones does the hand have? 27. Giraffe and humans have the same number of bones in their neck. True or false? True. 22 bones in skull, 6 in middle ears, 1 hyoid bones, 26 in vertebral column, 25 in thoracic cage, 4 in pectoral girdle, 60 in upper limbs, 60 in lower limbs, 2 in pelvic girdle. So total 206 bones in all. Next topic is types of joints. Ball and socket joint, hinge joint, pivot joint, gliding joint. First, ball and socket joint enables the bone to move in a 360-degree angle. Types of joints: ball and socket and the soldier. Which other joint is also ball and socket? Like as femur, thigh bones. Next, hinge joint. Motion only in one plane, backward and forward. Some example given by the pictures also. In our hand, elbow, in our knee also have hinge joint. Next, pivot joint moves by rotating, like as joints present in our neck. Which other is also pivoted? Humerus, ulna and radius. Gliding joint, flat or slightly flat surface, move against each other. Some pictures given here related to this type of joints. Next topic is ligament, a tissue that connects bone to bone. A tissue that connects bone to bone. This is the picture. Here bones are attached by the ligaments, we can see in this diagram. Next, tendon, a tissue that connects muscles to bone. A tissue that connects muscles to bone, like as acyl tendons. Students, you can see these images and understand about this. Next, cartilage, a tissue that helps to prevent the bones from rubbing against each other and wearing down the bone. Cartilage, knee cartilage, meniscus, intervertebral disc cartilage. Synovial fluid, a fluid that reduces friction between the joints during movement. A fluid that reduces friction between the joints during movements. Name of bones. Name of bones: skull, midsection, lower body, upper limb, lower limb. Skulls, you can see the image of skulls. Next is rib cage. Another name, some part is sternum, clavicle, collarbone. Next, shoulder blade and collarbone. You can see shoulder blade and collarbone attached. Next, vertebral column or spine. bones of pelvis, arms, humerus, radius, ulna, femur or thigh bone, tibia and fibula, tibia and fibula. Healthy management of bones. Our bones start becoming thinner and lose their density as we age. Our bones starts becoming thinner and lose their density as we age. This will lead to osteoporosis, a disease of bones that leads to an increased risk of fracture if we do not keep our bone healthy. This is especially for women after menopause. Solution. Calcium and phosphorus are minerals that give strength to bones. People must obtain these minerals from food. People who do not have enough of these minerals have brittle bones and becomes stopped when they are old. Stooped. Top 8 food for healthy, stronger bones. First is milk, yogurt and cheese, sardines, green leafy vegetables, soya foods, fortified foods, food that has essential minerals and vitamins added. Example orange juice and cereals. Calcium supplement, nuts and seeds, almonds, pistachio, sunflower seed, seaweeds. This time I have completed my topic. So thank you for watching this video. If you get some information, please like, share and comment on my video and subscribe my channel. Thank you.